Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc and in today's video I'm going to show you the 10th episode of building the best crypto portfolio in 2022. So last episode we were doing amazing, guys. As you can see, we were up 12% in our portfolio. We had some major improvements. We had Ethereum up 22%. We got Bitcoin up 18%, Chainlink up 12%, and the Sandbox and Polygon finally catching up. As you can see, the percentages of each coin were pretty much even. We're gonna make a difference in that, but yeah. So for this week we had two buys. As you can see, week 11 buy, we bought 10 euros in Bitcoin, Ethereum, LSX and SLP, and as well in week 12 we bought 10 euros in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Axie Inifinity and SLP. And yeah, guys, it weren't the best weeks. As you can see in the portfolio, we're down pretty much, guys. Everything is in the red except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like I say, it's so often, it's really important to have your fair share because they hold the best in the bear market. As you can see, Bitcoin is almost up 1%, but Ethereum is still going strong, guys. We're up 8.5%. The total portfolio is down a lot, though. We're down 5%. It's not the worst that we've been down in this series. Like, we've been down much worse in, like, February. But yeah, we're back in down 5%. Last week, up 12. Now we're down 5%. But if we take a look at the portfolio, we can see that the percentages are coming along. So we're 21% of our portfolio is Bitcoin. We want that 25. Ethereum 23, so almost to the 25. NFT metaverse at 24%, so that's really nice. We want 30, and DeFi and ecosystem, they're still high at 32%. We want them back at 20, but we're working at that, guys. So leave down below what's your portfolio, guys. I'm really curious how you split it up, and let's look at some other numbers. So let's look at the dollar cost average first of the year to date. So we've been dollar cost averaging every week for 50 years. But what if you were like, Doc, this is too much work. We're just buying it on the 1st of January. Well, if you bought a Bitcoin on the 1st of January, you would have been down 35 euros or a nice percentage on the portfolio. If you bought Ethereum on the 1st, you would have been down like 70 euros or even down 11% on our portfolio. If you're like, we're gonna do 50-50 Bitcoin Ethereum on the 1st of January, you've been down 53 euros, or how much is it, guys? 8% on the portfolio. But if you're like, yeah, these altcoins are too scary, I'm gonna stick to Bitcoin Ethereum, well, then you're still doing amazing. Because if we look at the portfolio versus BTC or Ethereum dollar cost average, we can see if you did dollar cost average on Bitcoin, you would have been up on the portfolio. You would have been having 604 euros instead of 570. So your portfolio would have been up almost 1%. If you were doing Ethereum, guys, as you can see, you were up a lot as well. You would have been up 8%. And if you would have bought Bitcoin and Ethereum 50-50 on a weekly base, which some friends of mine do, which I just recommend them, not financial advice, but I'm like, if you're too scared for altcoins, just buy Bitcoin, Ethereum on a weekly base, and then you would have been up like 5%. So still doing amazing, guys. So yeah, guys, this is why I always tell you, it's not financial advice, but just it's so important to have a percentage of Bitcoin and Ethereum, because you lose so much money. Like, look at their alts, guys. Minus 12, minus 16, minus 15%. Like, they're going down a lot. And that brings me to the next thing of today's episode is, let's take a look at the market, guys. As you can see, Bitcoin is down 7%, Ethereum is down 7% on the weekly. Like other coins, BNB down 2%. We got XRP up on the daily. I even think that XRP is the best coin of the week in the top 100. Like, if I can see on the 24-hour, we got XRP and Stellar. XLM doing really good. If we take a look at the weekly, guys, we can see that ApeCoin is doing really good. We got Kyber, which was good. Shiba popping again. arriving at that 420 meme thing. Chiliz heading up, but yeah, if we take a look at the market caps again, we can see that Bitcoin Ethereum is down. Solana is pretty much down 12%. Cardano minus 10%. AVEX minus 12%. This is a lot for AVEX because it's backed by so much money. Terra Luna down 18%. This coin did an amazing rally to get to the 9th spot. Yeah, guys, Dogecoin. Look at the meme coins, guys. Of course, they're doing really good. Shiba is doing good, pretty good. Polygon is down. Crypto.com coin is down. Like, a lot of coins are down, guys. It's like, as you can see, almost nothing in the green. Like, I'm really curious about how my coins will do the next week, and that brings me off to the buys of the next episode. So as you can see, the buys will be as followed. Since I'm aiming for that 25% Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm aiming for the 30% metaverse NFT, I'm just gonna stick the upcoming 4 weeks to the same plan. So Bitcoin 10 euros a week, Ethereum 10 euros a week, MyNeighborAlice, Axie Inifinity, and Smooth Love Potion. So that's our basically metaverse NFT gaming coins. Just buying them 10 euros a week, and after 4 weeks, I'll see how our portfolio goes. But I don't think there's no point in doing this every 2 weeks now, because not much is changing with the market, guys. So, but when I come to these percentages like 25% Bitcoin, Ethereum, 30% metaverse, 20% ecosystem, then it's gonna be nice, because that will be like different buys to even it out, maybe even sales because one rose too hard. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, just hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe for more crypto content. I have a whole diversity of crypto content, so I appreciate it. Comment down which is your favorite coin, which do you think will outlast any other coin, and other from that, YouTube, until the next time.